Guess where we are? Yup, that's where we are at the Jamaica Inn, Mon, with a very nice welcome reception that we received. Somebody's on their way down with a planter's punch. We were greeted by 2 English Cocker Spaniels who are all very friendly. Here is, this is one of their suites. It's old-fashioned, plantation style. Bathroom wanders around in that direction. And this is the best part of it all. We are on the very end of the block of rooms or suites, and they have 6 cottages, by the way. But each of the suites has its own little terrace sitting area like this, where you can lounge and chill out, Mon. As they say here, it's airy, and that's the beach. There's croquet down the way, a spa, and you get to look down the coast of Jamaica, Mon. Yep.